Hi, I'm Dr. Mansi Shah. I'm a medical oncologist and I have been in this area of working in oncology since 15 odd years. So I did my studying MBBS in Ahmedabad and then I went abroad to the US for further studies where I did medicine. And in the US, the practice is that when you're studying medicine, you get to explore a lot of different areas which you might want to pursue for further studies. And during that time, I had a wonderful mentor who was a medical oncologist. Oncology per se, it was very close to who I am as a person. It allowed me to connect to patients during their challenging times. It allowed me to take care of the patient as a whole. It allowed me to be a part of their family, and it was incredibly challenging, but at the same time incredibly rewarding to see your patients do well. Sometimes even if they don't do well, you still have the opportunity to make a real difference in their lives, make their lives better, and this is what drew me to oncology. Then I came to India and I've been practicing in another institute which has been a great decade for me. I choose women-centric cancers, mainly breast and gynec oncology, because I saw that culturally women are not very comfortable talking to the male counterparts, be it their family or friends. Doctors is a very different topic, so I connected very well to them. Also, breast cancer, cervical cancer, other gynecological cancers are very much on the rise in India, and I felt that I could do much better for these women. It allowed me to connect with them on a different level, and hence I chose this particular field. Oncology, I feel, is a very good branch to be in right now because the research is overwhelming. There are a lot of breakthroughs in cancer diagnosis, treatment, which allows us to give better care to our patients. I have worked with the medical oncology team that is currently at Shelby Cancer Research Institute for several years, Dr. Viraj Laving and his team. I've been closely associated with them in the past, and I know the high clinical standard and the vision that we share is pretty much in common. Our motto is we treat cancer individually, so it's very personalized treatment. We treat your cancer, we treat it with you. So we have a dedicated team and everyone is very dedicated to their specific area of interest. You know, when somebody does one thing for a very long time, the outcomes show. So if you take treatment at a center where it is a generalized approach versus you take treatment at the center where it's an individualized approach, over a period of time you will see the difference. So one was a common vision, and secondly, I wanted also to join a place where things are growing. So I had the opportunity to develop and grow at Shelby Cancer Research Institute, keeping my vision in mind. There is a lot of new developments that is happening here. Dr. Vikram Shah has put in tremendous amount of investment and infrastructure to build a cancer center, and I think I can see and palpate a visible drive towards developing oncology here. So I thought I would want to bring my expertise to this particular center and work as a team. So how is cancer treated? So number one is comprehensive cancer care, where we are giving treatment to the patient but also taking care of, say, palliative management, pain management, psychological management, genetics. So this is something which kind of comes under the umbrella of comprehensive care and clinical research. Oncology is probably the only field right now which is undergoing a major change in terms of how we look at a particular disease. So for example, if we have to say lung cancer or say breast cancer, there are specific mutations that drive the cancer, and we want to find that specific mutation and then target that specific mutation. So we want to go at a cellular level and treat the disease. So clinical research is something that I think we want to focus on, bring newer, better treatments for patients so that patients don't have to travel out of the country to get these treatments. We can bring those treatments closer to home. So clinical research is definitely one area where we want to focus on. So with the passion and the commitment that I see with the oncology team at Shelby Cancer and Research Institute, I see ourselves growing as one of the premier institutes in the region, taking care of cancer patients, bringing better and newer treatments. Thank you.